I divide JavaScript in 4 vertical. One is like the language fundamentals, getting variables and all. The second and one of the most important vertical in my opinion is functional JavaScript. Like JavaScript is object oriented and functional at the same time. So how you create a function, what are the scoping? Like when you declare a variable, what is the scope of that variable? What is the value of this inside function, closures, higher order functions, and those kind of concepts. So functional JavaScript, someone should definitely master if they want to go into React framework, because React is very much, those React hooks are nothing but output of functions and scopings and closures. So if you want to get into React, you should master functional JavaScript. So there is one vertical, and functions, scopings, closures, value of these, or arrow functions, at least these 5 things inside functional JavaScript. The third vertical in JavaScript I look at is the object-oriented JavaScript, or mainly prototype typical JavaScript, in that you should master how to create objects, how to create inheritance between them, what is prototype, what is proto, what is constructor, and those kind of things. So if you want to go into Angular side, you should really master it because Angular is completely object oriented. So this is something which you really need to master. So that is second vertical, object oriented JavaScript, and then the third vertical, and the fourth is, which is kind of very confusing and people should master, is asynchronous JavaScript. Like JavaScript is signal threaded. So when you work with JavaScript, when you make an API call, or when you do something which is long running, how that is going to affect your execution. And for that you have promises, generators, and iterators, which are first-class citizen of JavaScript. So one should understand promises for sure. But if you're going to Angular from JavaScript, then even if you do not understand promises that much, that is okay. But you really need to understand then RxJS. And when I say RxJS, means reactive JavaScript, and things like observable and subjects and operators and Markov diagram, etc. Keep in mind that observable and all these are not first-class citizen of JavaScript. So they are not a part of JavaScript language per se. Besides that, if you can memorize, you can memorize all the methods of array object, which are very handy. How to use reduce, how to use map, how to use filter, how to use find index, how to use find, and those kind of things. If you know, then your productivity in the project should be good. So these are the things, in my opinion, one should do in JavaScript.